What's the meaning of apart? Apart. Apart. Apart.
Apart is an adverb that means separated by distance or time. It can also mean excluded from something, as in, he was apart from the group. In addition, it can describe a feeling of being disconnected or isolated. It is important to note that apart can be used in both positive and negative contexts. Whether it denotes something positive or negative depends on the situation and the speaker's tone of voice. Overall, apart implies a separation or disconnection from something or someone.